Munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto ni athiĩte na mbere na iceera riake bururi-ini wa Sudan. Iceera riria rĩrĩgĩrĩirwo gutabania miario na mutongoria wa bururi ucio Sudan Al Bashir. Miario no ĩrĩgĩrĩirwo kuhutia na njĩra nene ũrũmwe wa Kenya na Sudan harĩ wonjoria honge-inĩ cia ũrĩmi ũndũ ũmwe na iganda.
It is time that we exchanged experiences and found avenues on how we can increase these bonds of friendship and business and encourage the business community to work together, people to people interaction and relations. And Your Excellency, my visit to your great country is partly to enhance the people-to-people relations, the business-to-business interaction, and engagement at the government level to facilitate easier movement of people and goods and services.
Ruto gite na mabũrũri wa Kenya ni kugunĩka na mĩario ĩno. Akiuga unyitaniri ũyũ Kenya ĩramatha kuma kũrĩ Sudan ũrongoreirio kwa ndandũra honge itiganĩte. Makĩria nĩguo kũrehe kĩguni kũrĩ mũingĩ wa mabũrũri maya merĩ.
Kenya will continue to work with the international community as you do in Sudan to ensure that we eliminate these threats to progress and development in not just our countries, but our region, as we focus on eliminating these threats everywhere in the world.
Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, Gitagwo Mwaura, Wagunya.